My name's Penelope, and you guys are going to be learning cluster problems. Cluster problems are multiplication problems that you break apart to make the multiplication problems easier. Today, we're going to be doing 9 times 48. First, you break it up to 9 times its other factor, which is 40. A factor is a number that you multiply by another number to get a product. Next, we'll be doing 9 times 8. Then, we'll figure out that 9 times 40 equals, you would really just do 9 times 4, which is 36, and then put the 0 on the end. And then you would do 9 times 8, which equals 72, and add them together to get your final answer, which is 432. Thank you. Now over to Emily.
Well, Penelope, that was awesome. Now it's time for our next cluster problem, which is 7 times 62. So let's get started. First, as Penelope said, we're going to break up 62 into 7 times 60 and 7 times 2. And then we're going to add them together, which 7 times 60 is, 7 times 6 is 42. And then you would just tag on the 0. And then 7 times 2 is 14, so you just add those together, which gives you a product of 434. Thanks. Now over to Andrew.
We're on. Thank you, Emily, for that great advice. Okay, now we're going to put a little twist on this, and we're going to multiply a 2-digit by a 2-digit. All right, you probably are thinking, oh no, he's going to stress us out. But I'm not. Okay, we're going to do the same thing Emily and Penelope did, but just make it a little harder. Okay? So, first we take 50 multiply 60. Okay? And then we do 50 again, but this time we multiply it by 8. Okay? And then we're going to equal sign. Mine's just a little longer, so I have to add a little more. Alright? Now we do 8 multiply 60. And then we do 8 multiply 8. As you see here, we're going to add, we're now going to do it. 6 times 5 is 30. So we put a 30, add 1 0, and add the other 0. So now we have 3,000. We do 5 times 8, which we all, of course, know is 40. So we add 40 here with the 0 on the end. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, now we multiply 8 by 6, and it is 48. 48 with the 0 on the end. And then we do 8 times 8, which is 64. We add them all up, and we come with 4, 14, we do 9, and then 3 goes down, and here's our answer, 3,944. Thank you. Now time for Arvin.
Hi, thank you, Andrew, Penelope, and Emily for the advice. Well, here I already set up my problem, but let's just do it. Okay, as I said again, 300 times 30, and then you do 300 times 4, and then 20 times 30, then 20 times 4, then 7 times 30, then 7 times 4, and then you have to add them up. So, 300 times 30 equals 9,000, plus 300 times 4, which equals 1,200. And then 20 times 30 equals 600, And then 20 times 4 equals 80. 7 times 30 equals 210. And then 7 times 4 equals 28. We have to add them up and they equal 28.